After.
Got it.
Hi, I'm Hannah K. Sparks.
Hello, I'm Tess Fryer.
Thomas Jefferson purchased 828,000 square miles of France's claim to the territory of Louisiana in 1803. We paid 60 million francs, that's $11,250,000. It encompassed all of or part of 14 current U.S. states and 2 Canadian provinces. The purchase, which doubled the size of the United States, comprises around 23% of current U.S. territory. The population was estimated to be 97,000 as of the 1810 census.
This was a vital moment in the presidency of Thomas Jefferson. He was said to have felt uneasy about France and Spain having the power to block American trade access to the port of New Orleans. Some said this was unconstitutional, but it has added to the richness of the U.S.